If you're afraid, you're ready. Your fear is your fire. It's your best friend. All you need is passion and a plan. Because your idea's ready for you. It always has been.
So right now, we gonna go count $1 million in cash for the people that's at home watching on WWE, for the people that's watching on YouTube. Come with me so I can show you $1 million right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 500,000. That's $500,000 right there. Then we got another half. Let's see how much this is. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 600,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. 700,000 right here. 700,000 in the bag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. It's $900,000. You can get this exclusive. Right there, let you get this $900,000. You know, this is the last count. This should be 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's $1 million right there. So, you know, talking about getting money, I keep telling you, it's, you know, coming to you live, $1 million. So you let everybody see this. We want this on WWE.com, but we want to make sure you put this on YouTube tonight so everybody can see what's going on. Big Show, you think you got something on me? Put your money where your mouth is. You know, because I got a big mouth, and I got big money, and I'm running the show. So, you know, put your money where your big mouth is.